This is a consist of the EW10J4 engine, automatic transmission. This is a 2003 model. Has I think braking issue. Has ABS issue. Yeah, the interior is neat. I can't say how good the engine is, but the body is in very neat condition. Yes, body is in very neat condition. So, probably may have one or two electrical issues. I can see. Oh no, it's already the ABS and so yeah, I'm going to put the price down. Put the price on the description so that if you're interested, you can come. Honestly, the body of this car is very neat, very very neat. No scratch, nothing. I haven't been repented. So, like I said, I don't know the condition of the engine. I know they bypass the fan to spin constantly. It has data running lights. It's a very neat car. So I'm going to put the price on the video description and the comment section as well. If you are interested, hit me up. Yeah, my phone number will be there as well. Alright.